Take it away, feeling too good to me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just so excited to be back with a new video, guys. We are back, so let's just go ahead and get started.
Caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget.
Can we just call this year's Valentine's Day Pink Valentine's Day? Because guys, I've been obsessing over the color pink. I don't know what it is, but I just found myself, loving pink for some reason this year. So of course I had to bring pink into the bedroom for Valentine's Day. You guys, to be honest, I feel like Valentine's Day is the only day like women have the luxury to bring in the color pink, especially if you're married, because you guys know some men, they don't even want to like see pink. So this is like the perfect time for me to explore with my pinks. And for this year I decided to decorate and just give you guys some decorating ideas for the bedroom for Valentine's Day. If you're planning on just spending Valentine's Day at home, this is just perfect. Just fix up your bedroom, make it nice and cozy for you and your partner. You guys know Valentine's Day is all about love, so yeah, basically that is all I'm doing right here. I just made up the bed and I added this gorgeous bedding I picked up from Walmart. I think this bedding is from Walmart. And no, sorry guys, Amazon. Of course, you guys know I'm gonna link everything in my description box, but yeah, the bedding, the blankets, the comforter, everything is from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. So I decided to not make everything so pink, so I added a touch of white to the pink, since the comforter has kind of a pink, a gray touches on it. And also I feel like this is all like gonna make a perfect spring bedroom decor. Like it can pass for Valentine's Day, it can also pass for spring refresh.
I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day.
One thing about silk materials is the fact that they rumple a lot. As you guys can see, the bedding is silk, and also my comforter has some kind of rumples on them. So I'm gonna be using my hand steamer to just go ahead and remove all the wrinkles, all the rumples, because yeah, you don't want, like, I feel like no matter how good you make up your bed, right, once there are like waves or wrinkles or rumples on it, it doesn't just give that aesthetically it doesn't look so good in the eye. So basically that is where using a hand steamer comes in. You can also use your iron. If you don't have a hand steamer, you can just go in and press the bedding with your iron. But this right here is so fast, it's so easy. So I'm going ahead to just steam the sheets, just to make sure I get rid of all the waves, all the wrinkles on them.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Throw pillows are a great add-on to your bed, especially if you want your bed to look really full, really romantic, really aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Like, your throw pillows are your best friends. I love to put as much throw pillows as possible on my bed, but typically I always go with maybe 5 pieces of different sizes of throw pillows, or sometimes I do 6. It all depends. But yeah, you guys, look how it just transformed the bed. It added a little bit more kind of attitude to the bed. And once I'm done with the bed, of course, we are gonna move on to my console table. You don't want to leave the console table empty, so I decided to add my Tom Ford decorative book and also some accent piece, and also I added my pink and white flowers. I told you guys, like, oh my gosh, I'm playing with all pinks. I'm just in the mood for pinks this Valentine's Day. So yeah, of course, to top everything off, I went in with my throw blanket, because they just add that jazz to your bed. If you want to jazz up your bed, of course, throw blankets are always recommended. And then for this part of my bedroom, I have my, what is this called again, my accent chair, and then I added some throw blankets and also my throw pillow. And also for the bed, guys, I was just in the mood for my bed tray, you know, with this decoration. So I added my flowers, my decorative books, my accent piece, and that is basically it, guys. My bedroom is ready. It's, you know, Valentine's Day ready. And also, guys, this is our anniversary, so of course, you guys, you know, I always love to throw it down for Valentine's Day because it's also our wedding anniversary. So when you're creating that romantic space, you always want to make sure they smell good. You know, the bedroom is smelling really, really nice and amazing. So I went in and put on my candle, and this candle, oh my gosh, they smell really, really amazing, guys.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't.
You guys, our kitchen is almost done. I would say it's let me say 95% done, guys. I just need to get in there, style it and everything, and this was exactly what was keeping me, you know, away from uploading. I believe this is probably like my official real, you know, upload for the year, because immediately we got into the year, we decided to, you know, to remodel our kitchen, and my whole house was a mess. And the type of person I am, I can't like think straight when my home is a mess, so I couldn't even get myself to film or to create content. But I'm just so happy that, of course, we've gotten that out of the way. So now, guys, just expect contents upon contents upon contents on this channel. So of course, you guys know when it comes to Valentine's Day, you have like, there is not a Valentine's Day without some fresh flowers, right? So I went down to Trader Joe's and I picked up some flowers, and I absolutely love the colors. I picked up some white flowers, you know, white roses. I'm not good with flower names, so I'm just gonna call it by their colors, guys. And of course, I went ahead and added some flower food and also sugar, adding you know, a little bit of sugar to the water before you then go ahead and put your flowers actually helps them a lot with lasting longer. Like when I have my fresh flowers, they last for 2 weeks, you know, while some people, they say like that their flowers last for few days, but for me, at least 2 weeks. That is what I get out of my fresh flowers. So basically, yeah, I went ahead and added everything, and also I picked up some eucalyptus, you know, because they have this very nice smell they add to the home. So this is basically my floral arrangement. I decided to just, you know, add it to my living room, and also we're going to just simply go ahead and fix up the living room. Also for the living room, guys, we're going with the color we're going with the color pink. Even though I kind of mixed it, I decided to just, you know, do kind of a mauve pink and a light pink, you know, for the living room. But yeah, like I said, this year's Valentine's Day, it's all about pink for me, so that's what we are doing.
I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
You guys notice I really didn't do like an absolute Valentine's Day. You know how like when you walk into a home, you can see hearts, you can see roses and all those things. Like I decided to keep this year's Valentine's Day very, very neutral, in the sense that it can like, even after Valentine's Day, I can still have this decor, you know, up. Like it just, you know, it just goes with the flow. And of course, to finish up the decor, I decided to add this gold heart inside my my wall unit. And that is basically it for this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
All that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take the love that